Hello all, welcome to the information portal of Namma Physio. Today we are talking about proning, when, how and why proning is so important. First, let's just understand the basic physiology of breathing. So here I have a picture of an alveoli and capillaries which is primarily responsible for the movement of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the lungs. Oxygen enters to the alveoli and gets diffuses into the capillaries. Carbon dioxide released from the capillaries into the alveoli is to be breathed out. Now, in case of COVID, the virus attacks the cells in the alveoli. This leads to the inflammation of the cells, which causes increase in the vascular permeability, which means there's leakage in the capillaries, which in turn, the space between the alveoli and the capillaries is filled with fluid. This fluid gets filled up in the alveoli as well. So this in turn reduces the surface area for gas exchange, which eventually reduces the oxygen saturation in blood. So what happens when prone lying? Prone lying is a medically accepted position in which patients are supposed to lie on the chest or stomach, which is nothing but face down position. This position improves the ventilation and circulation in the lungs. Alveolar units gets opened up and this promotes the physiological functioning of the lungs. Now coming to the self-proning positioning. For this we need about 4 to 5 pillows. One pillow below the neck for the support, 1 or 2 pillows for the chest, one for your hip, just below the hip, and one to protect your shin. Direct pressure on the abdomen has to be avoided. Now coming to the alternative positions for those who cannot lie prone. One such position is side lying, where one pillow for the neck and the other pillow can be kept between the knees in order to avoid pressure between the knees. The next alternating position could be half lying or upright position, where the head should be in 45 to 60 degrees and 2 pillows supporting your upper body and your neck. You can use one pillow just below your knees. Now, who should practice proning? Anybody with difficulty in breathing or any person whose oxygen saturation level drops below 90%. Please use a pulse oximeter to record your oxygen saturation levels. Now, some things that you need to know when you're proning. You can change your position every 30 minutes if you cannot maintain it for a long duration of time. Kindly avoid prone position after meal for at least an hour. Check for pressure source. You can maintain the prone position for about 16 hours a day in multiple cycles if not continuously. If you're unable to tolerate this position, you can try lateral positioning and upright position, which we discussed previously. You should also know when not to go for prone lying in cases such as obesity, pregnancy for sure, deep vein thrombosis, in any case of cardiopulmonary diseases, or any recent thoracic or abdominal injuries. For any further enquiries, doubts or queries, you can always get in touch with us. Thank you.